Hey Micah, I am here to do the Oreo presentation or feedback for you. First off, just thanks for your presentation. I learned a lot and I thought you just did a wonderful job sharing the information on your slides, and it wasn't too much. You had a very good amount. You spoke very clearly, which helps everyone to learn from you, especially through a video. So that was nice. I also like that you had the slide breakups as you transition to a new topic. That's just a good way to kind of realize, hey, we're stopping and then going on. It's a good transition for me as a teacher, and I think a lot of times for our students too. My learning, I would say you said something when you were talking about their culture. You said we must meet students where they are in their culture, and that's just like when we're learning, teaching, we want to meet them where they are. So that was really a big thing for me. So awesome on that. Video feedback. I know several of you have shared just like how you do the presentation mode and then you do the screen-o-matic with that, and you can move your video around. I just didn't know how to do that. So yeah, that was just a question that I had more feedback for myself. But that just allows flexibility for you when you're making your slides and such. And so kind of, yeah, that would be nice for me to know. But I just appreciated the simplicity of the information you shared with what you had on your slides. Sometimes I think I share too much, like I don't want people to be left out with any information because I think it's all great. So yeah, I really enjoy that about what you did on your slides, and I just think this is good practice for us of giving constructive feedback virtually, one, because that's where we're at right now, and just getting to improve that and just help each other learn and walk alongside of each other. So thanks for your presentation.